Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. We have over 350 new and pre-owned vehicles in stock ready for immediate delivery. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you can be assured to see all of our new arrivals just like this one here today as soon as they hit the lot. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of this specific vehicle or anything else we currently have on our lot, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. Today we're showing you a brand new arrival, 2012 Dodge Caravan with just at 100,000 miles on it, guys. This is a black exterior color on this, and this thing is in immaculate condition considering the miles on this vehicle. Very well taken care of, local trade, all in all, just a very, very good buy and at a very low monthly payment. Starting on the front, you're going to notice there's no dents, no major scratches on this vehicle, a couple little rock chips on the hood, but nothing too extensive. "16-inch factory alloy wheel wrapped in a Michelin tire, and the tread depth on the tire I would say is about 50%, so plenty of tread depth left on it. On the driver's side, just like the front, it's in very good condition. I don't notice any dents whatsoever on this vehicle. And the back is in just as good a shape as the sides are. This vehicle has a 3.6 liter Pentastar motor in it. This motor's been around since 2011. It's been tried and tested. It's a very, very good motor. And the great thing about this motor, with it being a V6, is you'll get over 30 miles per gallon on the highway with this vehicle. And with it being a 7-passenger minivan, that is extremely well fuel economy. On the driver's side door, you have power side mirrors, power windows, and power locks. Cloth interior, black cloth interior, and the driver's seat seems to be in very good condition. It's not wore down. There's no tears in it. And same with the floorboard, seems to be in very good condition. This vehicle is also equipped with power foot pedals located right here. On the steering wheel on the left-hand side, you have some option of adjusting your center cluster, which is located right here in the center. It'll show you anything from your trip, miles per gallon, even the temperature outside. And then on the right-hand side, you do have all your cruise control settings. And then on the back of the right-hand side of the steering wheel, you have the option of increasing and decreasing the volume of your radio. And then on the back of the left-hand side, you have the option of changing your radio station. It is an AM/FM radio. It does have a single disc CD player in there located right up here. You could also do MP3 player also on this thing, and it does have an auxiliary switch up top. Program up to 6 radio stations into this vehicle. Underneath that, you have dual climate controls, driver and passenger side, so you can set your temperature on each side if you'd like. And right here in the center is where you'd increase and decrease the speed of the airflow coming out of the vents. This vehicle is also equipped with rear AC and heat located right down here in these bottom 2 buttons, and you also can adjust it from the rear of the van, which I'll show you in a minute. Center console does have some cubby holes, small one here up front with 2 12-volt DC chargers in there. Right behind that, you do have 2 cup holders, and then a larger knick-knack holder right behind the cup holders. Passenger seat seems to be in very good condition, just like the driver, and same with the floorboard up there. There's also storage right in front of the passenger seat, decent sized storage up top, and also your glove box located down here below it. Up top, you do have a built-in mirror located right there, so you can see all your passengers in the rear of the vehicle if you'd like. And it also serves as a sunglass holder right up top there. Power rear sliding doors and power liftgate in the rear. Simply hit the buttons and they will open automatically. With this being a Dodge Caravan, one of the things they're known for is they do have the stow and go system. So these 2 center captain's chairs, along with the rear bench, which I'll show you when we get back in the back, can be folded flat into the floor, so you have plenty of room to haul around whatever you need to haul around. And you also can use these storage compartments down here below for storage if you need to. Very large storage compartment underneath there. Floorboard on this vehicle in the rear of the van seems to be in very good condition, just like the front. Same with the seats. All in all, very well taken care of. Definitely does not show 100,000 miles on this vehicle. Right here above the driver and passenger, or not driver, in between the two captain's chairs up top, you do have the option for your rear heat and AC. So not only can you operate it from the front, you can also operate it from the rear of the van. In the rear of this vehicle, you do have plenty of storage room here down below. Very large storage bin down there. And that also serves the purpose of this rear bench can be laid flat, like I did say. Lay flat into the floor, so you have a very large storage area inside if you need to. Just like I did up front, you can operate the rear lift gate from the back of the vehicle also. So from the key fob, you can operate the sliding doors in the rear lift gate. From the front of the vehicle, you can operate it, and from each side of each door, you can just simply pull the handles and it'll shut automatically for you. Like I said, this is a 2012 Dodge Caravan with just at 100,000 miles on it. Decent tread depth left on this vehicle. All in all, in very, very good condition. Definitely does not show the miles when it comes to this Dodge Caravan. This vehicle is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button so you can be assured to see all of our new arrivals, just like this one here today, as soon as they hit the lot. Also, for all the still pictures of this vehicle and a full description of it, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com.